Mm. She was so sick. She couldn't speak or breathe easily. She just stayed in silence and watched. And actually, I was the only one who taking care of her. I remember that before she died, she called me. She called my name for the first time. And she asked me to come closer. And I did it. And she whispered, "He raped me. Your father raped me. And you were born." Then she closed her eyes and left me. Honestly, all of my life, I was thinking that I had a problem. I was a problem. Because she didn't love me anymore. My mother hated me. And I tried to do everything that she said to make her love me, even just a little bit, but nothing happened. She was never satisfied. You know, she hated me because of you. That's funny because I didn't do anything. She blamed me because of what you did. You enjoyed, but I lost everything. I can forgive you. No. I can forgive you.